Welcome to the Motorhome era. In today's video, we take a tour through the top 7 luxury motorhomes of 2026. These models range from ultra-premium mobile mansions to compact, high-tech coaches built for travelers who want comfort, style, and adventure on the open road. We'll look at their exterior designs, interior luxury, performance, and pricing to help you understand what truly sets these motorhomes apart. We begin with the eleMMent Palazzo Superior, often described as the most luxurious mobile mansion. Beauty! Its exterior looks futuristic, with yacht-inspired windows, curved bodywork, and chrome details that instantly catch the eye. Step inside and you're greeted by a king-size suite, a full living room, a high-end kitchen, and even a rooftop terrace. Every surface, from leather lounges to polished wood, feels handcrafted. It rides on a powerful chassis designed for long, smooth journeys. With a price around $2.1 million, it remains one of the most exclusive motorhomes in the world. Next is the Vario Perfect 1200 QS Platinum, a fully hand-built German coach known for precision and craftsmanship. Its exterior blends elegance and aerodynamics, supported by a strong Mercedes chassis. Inside, it offers custom layouts, leather seating, slide-out rooms, a modern kitchen, and an impressive entertainment system. Buyers can personalize almost everything. With a turbocharged engine and advanced safety features, it delivers both strength and refinement. Pricing varies with customization, but typically reaches around $2.3 million. The Newmar King Aire 4531 is a flagship diesel coach admired for its engineering and luxury. Its sleek exterior and large windows give it a premium presence on the road. The interior includes a gourmet kitchen, spin-inspired master bathroom, theater seating, and smart home controls. The air suspension and precise steering provide exceptional ride quality, while safety systems like 360-degree cameras add confidence to long-distance driving. The 2026 model starts at around $1.6 million. The Newmar Supreme Aire comes next, built on a powerful Freightliner Cascadia chassis. It's a Super C motorhome, designed for travelers who want both muscle and comfort. The interior provides spacious living areas, luxury appliances, and modern entertainment options. Its performance is smooth even with heavy towing and safety. Systems such as adaptive cruise control enhance highway driving. Pricing is similar to top-tier Class A coaches, making it a strong choice for those wanting durability and high-end comfort together. Hachi number 5. The H3 to 45 Millennium Luxury Coach delivers apartment-style living on wheels. Its bold exterior matches a beautifully designed interior featuring a large living room, premium kitchen, private bedroom, and luxury bathroom. This coach is ideal for long-term travel with top-tier convenience and privacy. Priced around $2 million. It stands among the most elite motorhomes on the market. Sixth is the Loki Elite H, a rugged yet luxurious motorhome built for off-grid exploration. The exterior is tough enough for challenging terrain, while the interior offers solar power, advanced batteries, premium seating, and elegant finishers. It's perfect for adventurers who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. Its price reflects its unique mix of off-road capability and high-end design. Finally, the Newmar Plus Bischoff Arto 78 offers compact European luxury. Built on a premium chassis like the Mercedes Sprinter, it balances mobility and comfort. Inside, it includes ergonomic seating, a stylish kitchen, a cozy bedroom, and smart entertainment options. Its smaller size makes it ideal for couples or families wanting high-end travel without managing a massive coach. Its pricing is lower than the ultra-premium models, making it a more accessible luxury option. These 7 motorhomes represent the best of 2026. They combine technology, craftsmanship, and innovative design to create unforgettable travel experiences. Whether you want a full mansion on wheels or compact luxury with mobility, the future of motorhome travel has never looked better.